and welcome to Badgeskins. So in this short video, we'll be doing a how-to install for the 11th gen Honda Civic fog light tint. So it's pretty basic. We want to make sure that we clean this whole area really well, microfiber cloth with alcohol wipe, and you want to make sure that all the area, including right behind the cowl here, is actually clean and also dry. Very important, you'll probably require one of these tools, which is a micro squeegee. It'd be perfect for this install. And your kit pretty well comes like this. You're gonna have your tints, and then it's gonna come with a little tab that you can actually pull the Badgeskin from the backing. And what you're gonna do is you just kind of hold it and give it a little bit of a bend like this, so it's easy for you to handle and won't flop around on you. So what you want to do is you want to insert it so it kind of lines up nicely on the edge. And if you don't like the lineup, then you can just kind of peel off and just lay it back on again. And you're looking for it to be kind of like centered to the cowl opening, right? So once you have it lined up the way you like it, what you do is you want to tack it down, and you can work from the middle out and just go in kind of like a circular motion. And once you get to a certain point, then you can just kind of use a micro squeegee and just kind of keep going at it and squeegeeing it down. Just like that. So once you get to this edge, you can tuck everything right in, except for the masking. You don't want to tuck that all the way in, but you want to have enough that you can grab it and you can peel it off on 180 degrees. Now you can finish off any part that is not tacked down, because now with the masking off, you release that tension. And it's very simple. You just kind of cut on a little bit of an angle, like you see here. You have a little bit of a wrinkle there because it hasn't been fully tacked down. All you have to do is just come in here with a micro squeegee and just flatten it out. And you just want to make sure that you get all the edges tacked down, so obviously that you don't get any debris or anything like that, or water getting in those edges that aren't tacked down. Very simple install. As you can see, this took probably less than a minute, but this is how it turns out, and it looks great. Thanks for watching.